I'm making chicken bacon ranch sliders, and I'll start by shredding up one chicken breast that I've already cooked. And I'm frying 8 slices of bacon. After the bacon cools, just go ahead and chop that or crumble that up. And then in a bowl, put 1/2 cup of ranch dressing and add to that 1.5 cups of the chicken. And after you get that all mixed in well, add in about half of the bacon and again mix that well. This is a good time to go ahead and preheat your oven to 350 degrees and put your rolls. The bottom's only on a baking sheet and there's 12 in a pack. And then using a pastry brush, I'm spreading ranch dressing over these bottom halves. And then I'll go ahead and spoon on the chicken mixture. And then I've got some provolone cheese that I've cut into quarters and I'm putting that on. Then I'll add some of the bacon crumbles on each one of those. And then if you have cheddar, that would be better. But I didn't realize I didn't have cheddar until it was too late. So I'm putting on American cheese. Really, it's fine just to use whatever you have on hand, whatever cheese you like. So then you go ahead and spread more ranch dressing over the top buns that you've added. And sprinkle on some shredded parmesan cheese. This really just takes it over the top. After you get all of that on, put that in the oven and bake it for 10 to 12 minutes. These look great. They taste absolutely delicious. I hope you try these and enjoy them. You could also add any other kind of maybe a spice that you would like to kick that up a bit. Thanks for stopping by, and I'll see you next time.